What if I told you there is a token that is going to be listed at 22 times today's price? Yes, that is actually real. And as you can see right here, that is a 2,100% on listing from current prices. Now, this is not magic. I'm talking about HyperSUI. HyperSUI is the first perpetual trading powered by SUI, or in other words, the first truly capable perp DEX on SUI. Now, they are currently in pre-sale phase and they're going to be listing at 22 times today's price because there is going to be a lot of price increases until they get to the listing price, that is $0.09. Now, current price, as you can see, is $0.00412 and it is approaching very quickly to the listing price. So this current price, meaning a 22x at listing, is not going to be going on forever, of course, because we're going to be entering the next phase in just 6 hours. So this is why, in general, and specifically in this crypto presale, getting in early matters a lot because you can get a better rate, just as it happens with private deals, with private equity, when you're able to invest in a company at a much lower price and an earlier round. So this is exactly what's going on here with HyperSUI. It's important to note there is bonuses that you can unlock depending on the investment amount. So if I'm going to be investing $230, it may be worth considering adding $20 because you would be getting a 6% bonus. So let's enter 250, and here you can see I'm already eligible for this 6% extra tokens. Now, that is not a small amount. The same for 700, where you unlock the 9%, and 1,500, where you unlock the maximum bonus of a whopping 12%. Now, that is not a small amount. The cool thing here is you have a lot of margin because even if the token dumps after the listing, you will have entered at a very low price. It's going to be listing at 0.09 cents and the current price is 0.00412. So again, that is 22 times today's price. I think I have said enough about the pre-sale, the stages, the increase at listing, etc. But what is actually HyperSUI? What is it that makes this different? Why is this pre-sale so interesting? We already know there is a perp DEX fever. Everybody's trying to find the next Aster or the next Hyperliquid. And to be honest, I don't think there is going to be something that replaces Hyperliquid. Not even Aster. But I strongly believe every single ecosystem has its own king. And in the case of SUI, HyperSUI is the leading perp DEX, and it is still in pre-sale. There is no Prones program or airdrop program even announced yet. So imagine all the upside and all that's left for this project and how early we are. By the way, you can check out the audit in the top right corner right here. It has a very good score and there is absolutely no red flags in this sense. So as I mentioned, HyperSUI is a perp DEX built on SUI and it leverages all the amazing features that SUI chain presents. You can trade low latency on-chain perps with full transparency and 100x leverage, no delays, no middleman, full self-custody, so you are the only one holding your crypto. It is trustless. There's nobody holding your crypto for you. As I say, not your keys, not your crypto. So in this case, we are safe in that sense. It is integrating AI that learns from every trade and optimizes your execution, manages your risk, and uncovers new opportunities in real time. So that's the AI layer they are going to be introducing as well. You have social copy trading, profit sharing, and this is all transparent on-chain powered by smart contracts. Absolutely great. The HyperSUI ecosystem has some big names in terms of partners and backers. You have Martian, Messari, DeFi Llama, The Graph, Chainstack, QuickNode. So those are definitely big names, and that is obviously something that reinforces the project itself. It just shows there is interest from institutions, which is something that is obviously a green flag. So here we have a little bit more information on HyperSUI. It is built for speed and efficiency. It offers lightning fast transactions, near zero gas fees, which is a big deal when you're trading a lot, and seamless DeFi experience designed for modern traders. You got advanced features and security, built-in staking, that's huge, liquidity pools, cross-chain swap functionality. I mean, you get so much on top of this perp DEX built on SUI. HyperSUI delivers advanced trading tools while maintaining top-tier security as well. So again, it's absolutely great. You can see how it will look like, and I think this superb user experience is what's going to be just making traders keep trading on HyperSUI and actually growing the ecosystem in the long term. As I mentioned before, they chose SUI. Why? First of all, because it is developer friendly. That's the first point. Second of all, low latency, which is absolutely crucial when you're doing trading, perps trading. Milliseconds may count a lot in this type of trading. Robust security, highly scalable, ultra low fees, as I mentioned, that is really good. And that is something that is enough to make people consider just abandoning other perp DEXs and swapping into HyperSUI, future-proof technology with VNext and next-level user experience. And as I mentioned before, we are very early. The listing is 22 times today's price. All right, so that's something that I've said a couple times already because I think it's huge. I truly do think it's something that you guys should obviously take into account. We have the tokenomics right here. The ticker is HyperSUI, max supply 7 billion, and you have right here all the tokenomics. The public sale has 25%, staking and rewards 15%, liquidity pool 10, treasury fund 7, ecosystem growth 25%. That is very bullish, guys. 25% for the ecosystem growth. That tells you already they have the community in mind. KOL 5% and team and advisors 13%. So pretty good tokenomics, no red flags, and I think everything makes sense. It is aligned for long-term success. So here we have some of the key features, as I mentioned: advanced trading tools, non-custodial security, and lightning fast swaps. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely think that HyperSUI is one of the most interesting, if not the most interesting, crypto pre-sales that are currently live. I've been talking about it for a while, and I'm really proud to have started talking about this maybe 2 weeks ago. In that time span, there has been already several price increases, but there is still many price increases left until listing. As always, this is not financial advice, guys. I hope you get that clear. Do your own research always. I'm just sharing a pre-sale that I think is very interesting, and I myself, I'm going to be keeping it on my radar because perp dexes are the absolute king of 2025. They are the hottest narrative, and there is no airdrop announced. There's even no points program. The platform is not even live. I mean, that's how early we are here. So I'm pretty happy about this. It's like getting in Hyperliquid really early or getting into the Aster pre-sale round. That's pretty much what we are looking at here. It doesn't even need to get to the size of Hyperliquid or even Aster or even lighter. If it gets to 1/10, it'll already be very, very profitable. So that is why, in my eyes, this is an interesting opportunity. As always, not financial advice, guys. I've said it already. Please take care. I will see you guys in the next video.